All right. Good evening. M2uesday. How's everybody doing this fine Tuesday evening? So my M2uesday is going to be on some Maui and Son diecast that I have. Not a lot, just a couple pieces. Plus an extra M2 casting that I'm just going to throw in just because I found it buried in one of my bins and I forgot I had it actually, and it's a pretty cool casting. So I'm going to start off on the turntable here, and then I'm just going to display it over at Mel's Drive-In and see it from there, all set up. So what we have here on the table is a Maui and Sons Jeep. There's a couple, at least one other variation of this Jeep that I'm aware of. I believe the color is different, and if I'm not mistaken, the Maui symbol might be a little different too. But it is a Maui and Sons. And it's a 1944 for anybody that's curious. It's kind of hard to see some of the detail on it because it's so dark. Yeah, I have a couple M2 Jeeps, not very many. They don't have that many castings available. So anyway, there is that. I think I showed this recently too. And I think I've shown this one recently as well, but it's the Maui and Sons microbus. And for anybody that's interested in, it's a 1959 USA deluxe model. Okay. Alright, up next I have a 58 Apache Stepside. And this is part of the Maui and Sons hauler set. So this is an auto driver. So there's no opening features on it. like how M2 adds surfboards occasionally with their diecasts. It's the little things. All right, so that's it for my Maui and Sons collection. I'll bring you over to the Mel's Drive-In in a second. Like I said, I had this this other M2 that I found buried in a bin, and I just thought, well, this is too cool not to show. And it's not a Maui and Sons, but it is cool nonetheless. Alright, and again, anybody that's interested, this is a 53 Beetle, and it's another USA Deluxe model. Alright. Just put this over on the in the parking lot here. Let's take a gander over at the drive-in.